Welcome back to the Senior Living Experience YouTube channel. My name is Shelby Reed and I'm one of the co-founders here at the Senior Living Experience. And today our senior seminar series topic is going to focus on selling your home via a licensed real estate investor. So as you'll see on the channel, I had another video about selling your home via a licensed real estate agent. So today's video is a different sales option to you that's available to you, whereas instead of selling it via the open market, going to market, having open houses, getting your home ready for the market, this option is selling it where you've probably heard it called a cash sale or an as-is type sale to a real estate investor. So I just want to hit on a few of the pros and cons today in the video. Really the goal of the video today is really just to introduce the topic to you, and so you know it's an option. It might not be a good fit for you and your home, but at least you know it's here. Our professionals here on the team, we always explain both of the options to you whenever we're meeting with you. It's one of what we call our multiple home sale options. So you'll see that and you'll read that on the website a lot. You'll hear me refer to it a lot when I'm talking in my videos. And all that means is we're just giving and presenting you with different options to sell your home. And it's up to you to make the final decision on what the best fit is for you and your personal situation. So let's get into the pros really quick of selling your home to a real estate investor. So the biggest pro here is you can choose your timeline. So say you have a loved one that is under a crazy crunch time where maybe they had a fall or had an injury and they're needing to get into assisted living or a skilled nursing or even a memory care facility very quickly. When you sell with a real estate investor, they're very flexible on timeline, and a lot of times these investors can close as soon as 7 days. So what that means for you is you're not putting your home on the market, waiting every day for an offer. What's the offer going to be? When's the close date going to be? You know, after meeting with that investor and agreeing on the deal, you know when your home's going to close. So you know when the check's going to hit the bank, which is a huge pro for the people we work with that choose this route. Another pro is you don't have to go through typical inspection periods. You don't have to have occupancy inspection notices or past occupancy notices passed. You're selling your home truly as it is today in its current state. So if your home does need some repairs or it needs a few things that just haven't been done to maintain it, the goal and the pro to selling via an investor is you don't have to worry about that. You're selling the home as it is. You don't need to make any changes to it. So what are the cons? The biggest con is the one I'm going to mention today on the video is you're going to sell for less most likely than if you listed on the open market. Only because the real estate investor that's buying your home is taking it as it is. They don't know what's up with the sewer lateral. They don't know if the roof needs to be replaced. They don't know if possibly there's an electrical issue or there's a leak somewhere, the plumbing. They're assuming all the risks of the home as it sits. So the con is you might have to weigh a little bit of, do you take a lower price for some benefits of a quicker timeline? You know when the cash is going to hit the bank if you're under that type of stressful situation. As in every situation, you're going to have the pros and the cons. But I hope today this quick video just kind of gives you an introduction of the fact that it is an option for you. Selling to a licensed investor is sometimes a great option, sometimes it's not. So we love to meet with you, explain both options to you in greater detail, and be able to show you run the different numbers. And obviously, ultimately, you're the one making the decision, but having options is good. So that's really the goal of today's video. And I just want to say thank you for checking out all of our videos on here on the channel. And if you haven't checked out our website, please do. It's www.seniorlivingexp.com. There is a ton of information on there, and we'd love to share more with you. So please reach out at any time, and we would love to chat with you. So stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Thanks.